Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given this diagram with points A, B and C and they are being drawn to a triangle. For point A, find the area of this triangle. Following, they want us to find the length of AC, and there will be part C where we are required to find the perpendicular distance from B to AC. Okay, so for this part, let's focus on part A here. Okay, so for area of a triangle, since they give us the coordinates of triangle ABC, right? So this is what Mr. Tan will do. I'm going to find this length here, which I can find easily. This is the y coordinates for point A at 8. And at this point is y coordinate is 1. So from point 1, 8 to 1, what do you think is this length here? Yes, 8 minus 1, 7 units. And the next thing that I would want to find would then be is this perpendicular distance here, such that I will then be able to get this height of this triangle. Yeah, half time base time height, where the base is AB. This will be my height. So how? So from here, I would be able to see from C is 10 and be it point A or point B, since this is a vertical line, so I would have from negative 2 to 10. How many units are there? So here is 10 units. Here is 2 units. So total is 12 units. And from there on, I would then be able to get the area of this triangle ABC easily now. It is simply half times base times height. 42 units. Yeah. And let's move on to part B. Part B is pretty straightforward because we are given all the points. Remember? So my point A is negative 2, 8. My point C is 10, 6. So all I have to do is simply to apply my formula to find the length. So AC is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2. Let me just shift a little bit since I don't need the part A already, minus y1 bracket square. And maybe I just need to use the answer for AC, right? So the most accurate answer would be the square root form, and this will give me a value of square root of 148, and that will translate to 12.1655. This is to 6 significant figures first, followed by 12 point, because this is 6, 2 units. 2, 3 SF, and we are done for part B. Now for part C. As we move on to part C, what exactly are they? Do they want us to find? The perpendicular distance of B to AC is simply B line AC, they want this perpendicular line. So I'm going to just simply draw a perpendicular line. So they want us to find this line, okay, and the distance. And from part B, we actually got hold of the length for AC, which is square root 148. Notice I use square root 148 instead of 12.2 because I will want the most accurate answer for part C later on. And from part A, we also know that the area is equals to 42 units square. Combining all these pieces of information, I am going to name this as H, and so half times base times height equals to area, right? And with AC as my base and the perpendicular distance of B to AC as my height, I would then be able to get my H fairly easily. Yeah, this means that half times base square root 148 times height is equals to 42. So from here, H will be equals to 42 divided by square root 148 divided by half. And this will give me a value of, let me just make some space, 6.9048 5SF followed by 6.90 units. Okay, my handwriting is not the best. 3SF. Oops. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up as I shift. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.